Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Today I am going to show you exactly how to apply for jobs on Upwork in 2025 step by step. Whether you are a complete beginner or just want to refresh your profile, I will cover everything you need from creating your account, setting up your profile to sending your first proposal at right away. So grab a notebook, follow along, and let's get you started on Upwork. So first of all, we are going to create an account. After finishing things first, you need an Upwork account. Head over to upwork.com and just click to the sign up and just click to this one, and then from that place you just need to choose I want to work as a freelancer. So choose this one and then click for apply as a freelancer. Once you're done, then now you just need to be enter your name over here. So I will provide my name, Mahir Rahman. This is my name, and then you just need to be provide your email address. So let's copy my email address from that place. Let's open mailbox over that place, and I will copy the mailbox from that place. So here I will copy the mailbox, and then I will establish here, and now they are telling us to provide the password over that place. So let's provide a password over here, and let's see, and I did it. So I want to change the password. I will make another password. Fine. It's done. Now I will choose the country, and then I will select all the things, and then just simply I will click to the create my account. Make sure you use your real name because clients like working with verified freelancer. After that, Upwork will send you a verifications email. So you just need to be go to your inbox here, and here actually you can see it already been verified. So let's open it into the module, and here they're telling us to the provide access of the mail address. So I'll copy the mail address, then I'll paste it here, and then just click to the continue, and then provide the password, and just keep me login. Just click to the login, and it actually login. So here verification fail. Why does it happen? So let's copy the link here, and I will paste it here, and let's see, does it work? Congratulations, your account is verified. Redirecting. So it's okay. Once verified, you will redirect to back to the Upwork to complete your sign up. So now you just need to be build a professional profile for it. Now this part is super important. Your profile is your first impression, so start by adding a professional photo. So here they are asking some questions. Hey Mahir, ready for your next big opportunity? Answer a few questions, and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes, and you can edit it later. We will save it as you go. Okay, that's great. Just click to the get started. And here a few quick questions. First, you have freelanced before? I am brand new to this, and I will click to the next, or you can skip it if you. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? I don't have a goal in mind to get experience for a full-time job. This will my target. Then, and how would you like to work? I would like to find opportunity, this one, and I'm open to contract hire. Then click create a new profile. From that place, would you like to tell us about yourself? Fill out manually 50 minutes, or you can upload your resume. It's totally depend on you. So for example, I am going to give something that, just click over here, and then here I will add my skills. So I belong from IT sector, so I will click this one, and then I will select web development, and then next add your skill. Here I just need to add my skill web development, then click to the next your profile title. So let's write title completely, keep it clear and specific. For example, instead of just write SEO, blog writer for tech and business. Below that graph, your overview, like use 3 or 5 short paragraphs to explain who you are, what you do, how you help client, and why they should choose you. So here your professional role, let me give you professional, that what press developer, and then it's done. Let's click to the experience. So here they are telling us to provide an experience. So right now I am completely beginner, so I will skip it for now. Be clear and confident and focus on what the client gets, not just what you want. And when you add your skill, pick skill relevant to your service you want to offer. Upwork allow up to 15 skills to choose wisely. Next, fill out your work experience and education. If you don't have freelancer experience, list your previous job, internship, or even personal project that relate to your work you want to do. So here I will click skip for now. Just here they are telling us to add English, so my level is fluent here. Then I will click to write an overview. So they are telling us to write something, so I will copy this one and then paste it here right now. Then I will change it after complete the process. So I will copy whole things and then I will paste it here and then click to the next set rate. So finally you just need to be set your hourly rate. If you are new, start competitive but fair. Check what others in your niche charging. So I will give hourly rate will be 5 and it's fairly good for me. So I will click on add your photo and location. So here I will click to the upload photo options and then click this one, and I will find out where is my photo actually. This one, and I will place it properly. Yeah, it looks good, and I will click to the attach photo, and here you can see it. Then you just need to provide your birth date. So I will provide my birth date, June 2003. Yeah, it's quite bit little bit cool. Yeah, it's okay. Then you just need to provide your address. So I am from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Then I will say Thalgad. Okay, this okay. Then city Dhaka. Yeah, it was a good. Provide, you can provide your phone number. So here you just need to provide your phone number. Let's say enter my phone number over here. Then I will click on review my profile options, and they will check my profile, and it will take a couple of minutes to complete the things. So let's provide our number 15768437772. So once you feel that it already been done, then you just need to recheck all the information you provided are true or false. So when you feel it is quite bit okay with your requirement and you fulfill all the things correctly, then you go with next step, that is review your profile. So let's provide this one, review your profile options, and let's see what actually will happen. So just click this one, review your profile, and here actually you can see you just need to submit your profile. Just click over here and your profile is ready. Now you will need connects to bid on jobs. So here to get 100 connects starter pack, buy $15. So browse without bidding. Let's click this one, and here you will get no connects yet. So here you just need to complete all the things properly. Our profile is 40% complete, so we just need to do more work over that place. So now we are going to search jobs for hours. So once your profile is approved, it is time for find work. Click on find work here. So here you can see this is the find work. Just click over here, find work at the top menu. Use keywords related to your skill. For example, if you are a logo designer, search for logo design. You can use this filter to choose, like let's search for, I am a website development, so I will search for website development, and here I will search it, and it will take a couple of minutes, and then my work will be come over that place. Here I am getting all the results which is related to website development. So you can use the filters to choose like project, budget. Here you will find out the filter over that place. So you just need to take the decision wisely. Then you can choose by client, locations, like click to the advanced search. Here you can provide this exact phrase, title, skill charts. These are the thing. Then you can sort by relevance, client spend, rating. Then you can experience level, entry level. Looking for entry level, then this work will be good for you. then if you are an expert, then you can go with this one. Then you can track with the number, like, and job type hourly or fixed price. Read the job description carefully, only apply to jobs you know how to deliver. So let's find out a job. So I think WordPress developer, website developer to make edits to our website in 14 hours. I think this one is quite good for me. I can go with this one. Just click over here. Once I click over here, then here you can see we are looking to update our website that is currently on WordPress and created with Elementor. We will meet and go over content copywriter to include on the website and key changes to make. We need a 14-hour turnaround after meeting. So here they are giving us fixed price, that is $15. So you just need to read the job description carefully and only apply to jobs you know you can deliver well. So when you find that it is familiar with your work, then you just need to write a winning proposal. How you can write a winning proposal? You just need to apply it here. Just buy connects. When you buy connects, then you can bid for the work. Like, this is most important part to writing a winning proposal. When you find a job you like, you just need to submit a proposal. Your proposal is like your cover letter. It should be short, clear, and customized for each job. Here's a sample structure. Let me provide it to you so you can write it. So let's play the Google Docs, and here let's discuss. Let's click on blank one, and here a sample structure. That is, first of all, you just need to be greeting. That will be address the client, client by name if you can, by name if you can. This is the main. Let's make it bold. And then second one is introduction, intro. Let's say intro will be who you are and what you do. Who you are and what you do. These things you need to be understand when you are writing any intro. Then the why you are perfect. Why you are perfect. So actually here you just need to be write something like explain how your school match their needs. Like how, explain how your skills match their needs. And then proof. It's built the trust. Like mention a similar project you have done. So these four criteria you just need to be remember whenever you are writing an proposal for your clients. And the next, it is CTA. That is end with a question or invite them to discuss. Like end with questions. It makes your client so much aggressive to talk with you. For example, I can say that you can write a proposal like I assume that my client name is John, and right now I am a website developer or I am a graphic designer. Then I will write I am a graphic designer plus, like, with 3+ years experience. So this will be your proposal. Attach any relevant files or portfolio samples if needed. Also, don't copy paste generic proposals. Client can export them instantly. So once you're done, then here let's come back to this place and click to the find work. Here you just need to set your terms and submit. Like before you hit submit, review your terms. If it is an hourly job, Upwork automatically uses your hourly rate. If it is a fixed price job, enter your proposal budget. Make sure it is realistic for the work required. And once you are sure everything looks good, click submit proposal, and congrats, you just applied to your first job on Upwork. And that's it. Now you know how to apply for jobs on Upwork in 2025 step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you have any question, reply to every single one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial again.